everyone, welcome to another episode of the Power Oil Healthy Recipe Series, where I show you how to make lots of healthy and mouth-watering recipes using the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beans porridge. Usually you would make your beans porridge with lots of palm oil, but the recipe I'm sharing today makes use of no palm oil and lots of tomato and pepper blend puree. Are you interested in learning how it's made? It's pretty simple, guys, but before we go into the cooking action, I have a guest in the house today who is going to be participating in the taste test segment. She's an actress, a movie producer, a movie director, and an entrepreneur, and I'm talking of none other than Iyabo Ojo, guys.
Yay!
I'm so excited to have you in my kitchen.
So excited to be here.
Thank you so much for stopping by. It's such a pleasure. I'm literally starstruck, guys. Okay, so to the main business of today, you're going to be participating in the taste test segment. After I'm done cooking the food, you're going to come and have a taste of it and tell me and the audience what you think about the taste of the food.
I love that part.
Are you excited about that?
Very excited for the fact that I have to come and taste this delicious food that you're about to prepare. All right. I can't wait. Can you? I can.
All right, guys. So we're going to send her off now. She'll just relax and chill while I just go through the cooking process, and afterwards I'll call her back and then she'll have a taste of it. Is that okay?
Okay. So I shouldn't wait.
Do you want to quit?
I need to go.
Yes, you have to.
I have to.
Yes, you have
Really?
to. Bye. For this recipe, you need some washed beans, some seasonings, chopped onions, tomato/pepper blend puree, mixed vegetables, salt, and of course the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. So I have all of my ingredients prepped and ready to go. Now, usually beans porridge is made with lots of palm oil, but with this recipe, I'm not going to be using any palm oil at all, and I'll be using very little amount of vegetable oil, and I'm going to be using lots of tomato and pepper blend mix. That's what's going to give the beans all of its beautiful flavor. And of course, beans are a major source of proteins, and proteins play a major role in bodybuilding and body repair. And beans are also packed loaded with antioxidants, which help the body remove free radicals that sometimes roam about the body and cause lots of diseases. So this is one reason that you should inculcate more beans recipes into your diet. Okay, all right, kicking off, I'm going to start by transferring some power oil into my pot right here. Next, grab the chopped onions and add to the pot. Saute for a few seconds, then add the spices. I'm using some thyme, curry powder, paprika powder, seasoning cubes, and crayfish. Stir to combine and leave to fry for 1 minute to wake up the spices. Afterwards, grab the tomato/pepper blend mix. In this mix, I have some tomatoes, tatashe, onions, garlic, ginger, and atarudo, which is also popularly known as scotch bonnet peppers. Pour it into the pot, stir to combine, then cover the pot and allow to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, grab the washed beans and add to the pot. Mix to combine and then add some vegetable stock into the pot, enough to cook the beans through. Also, add some salt to taste. Cover the pot and leave to cook till tender. This should take about 45 minutes to cook. When it is fully cooked, add the vegetables. I'm using some sweet corn, carrots, red and green bell peppers, some peas, and then some spring onions as well. The more vegetables, the better. Cover the pot and leave to cook for another 2 minutes before taking off the heat. All that's left now is to serve this on a plate and enjoy with some fried plantains or any side dish of your choice. So it's time for the taste test, but I wouldn't be the one doing the test like I said earlier. So it's time to bring back our guest. Yeah, food is ready.
Yes.
This is what the beans, porridge and plantain looks like. First of all, what's your opinion on the look of the dish?
It looks like fried beans. You know, like you have the fried rice.
Yeah.
Or should I call it jollof beans?
Jollof beans. I think jollof beans.
Jollof
Or a
beans
mixture of both.
sounds more. Should I go
What
ahead?
do you think about the aroma as well?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, so now the taste.
Alright. Oh, this is
I
the
hope
first
you
time I'm
like it.
having something like this without palm oil or red oil.
I hope you like it.
Really nice.
I told you guys.
Tasteful.
I told you guys.
Wait, can I have more?
Thank you. Please go ahead. You can have it all.
This is really nice. This is
Thank
really beautiful.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys have heard it from the horse's mouth. I bet you definitely would want to go try out this recipe right now. Hurry to the market and buy all the ingredients you need. And don't forget to buy your power oil, pure vegetable oil. Buy a bottle or 2 or 3 or a whole carton. You need it in your life, okay? Alright guys, I'll see you next time with another recipe. She's still enjoying the food.
Oh yeah. Next time, I'm just going to get this done at home. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for
Take
having
care.
me.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, darling.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice.